Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily into technical analysis video on the one and the only Dogelon Mars. My beautiful friends, we have seen a slight retracement in the overall markets, moving below the $50,000 levels. Let's look at these charts on the overall markets. All right, this is what we are looking at. It is looking quite the same on Dogelon Mars, and this is the only reason why it is looking like this. So what we need to look for here is creating a doji candle, and what we want to see today is a close above this 47,570 level. Or to make it simpler, we want to see it close above the bottom of this red wick body, which is at the $47,560 levels. All right. When we see that, that will indicate that buyers are stepping in around this resistance level, which will potentially create a new floor. However, if we do not see a push higher than this 48,100 level by the next daily candle tomorrow, by the end of tomorrow, that means we very well could move lower to these $46,000 levels, which will be an amazing discount in the markets. However, we will see what happens. We are still currently following trend line in the overall move here. As you see, we came down, touched it, moved higher. But yeah, I could bring this over here too. So, came down, touched the trend line, and we're still moving upwards with momentum. However, if we break below this trend line, then we will be testing these $46,000 levels. Let's get straight into Dogelon Mars. That is just to judge the overall market sentiment, which is probably moving into more fear at this moment. Let's look. Yes, we are 27 right now. Yesterday we were 41, almost at neutral. Neutral sentiment in the market. However, because of this recent dip, we have seen fear in the markets, which is a great time to buy. Whenever you see fear in the markets, blood in the streets, that's when you should consider averaging more in. So, this is what we need to look out for. We've seen the exact move on Dogelon Mars as we did in Bitcoin. However, this move was very calculated because look at exactly where it moved down to. All right? We've been saying this since the last videos, the last 2-3 videos, and on the live stream, that it is very likely for it to come down to this 0.5 level, and this is healthy retracement. This is still considered healthy. However, if it breaks through this 0.618, that means we need to watch this level because this is our last straw before we're coming back down to these 10s. All right? Or even these 12s first to test. So, we have seen the healthy retracement back to 0.5. What we want to do here is show one candle moving up like this, closing green. The next candle making higher lows, moving higher, and closing towards this 0.236 level. That's what we want to see in the next 2 days. Let me just go ahead and make it super simple for you guys to understand what I am saying. So, I'll bring out some horizontal lines here. Make it super simple for you guys. What we want to see is this green candle close anywhere above this 1524 level here. All right? Anywhere above this level. And for the tomorrow's candle, next candle after that, we want to see it close anywhere above this 1623 level. All right? So, this can close right here. It'll be fine. The next candle needs to push up. Close above here. There we go. And it can even create a wick if we wanted it to. I don't know what's going on with these beautiful lines. Okay, I don't think that's how it works, but there we go. You guys get the memo. And that will show that our Fibonacci retracement levels are holding strong, and that 0.5 level is a new floor. okay? If we see that, that is a strong indicator that we will continue higher. And we will keep our eyes on this chart. I will keep the eyes on the chart so you guys don't have to. And notify you guys, make a video whenever something happens, you know? Like right now it's just a waiting game. We have been averaging in this whole time around these 10s, around even just towards the 10s. But, so, I mean, we're chilling right now. However, what we want to do in the future is see if this 0.5 Fibonacci level holds. And if it does, then we're moving up, okay? And the only way that it won't hold right now is if the overall market continues to dip. And if it follows that trend line that we just drew after that doji candle, then we should be just fine. The only reason this is consolidating right now is because the overall market is dipping, or else it would be booming off. We would have already reached all-time highs if the overall market continued to spike as well. So, I've been saying this for a while. Anything under 20 is a great HODL opportunity. Any price under 20, great HODL opportunity. Right now, we just need to wait, be patient, and if you want to get the alerts whenever we spike up, because this is going to be the most important thing. You can buy anywhere now under 20, but whenever we spike up, you need to know when to get out. And if you don't, you're going to miss out on a lot of profits. We want to get out at the top here, and we will. Here, okay? Within these 3 candles, okay? That's where we want to get out. This is where we want to get in. At the 10s, we get out at the 50s, all right? Up here. That's what we're going to do, okay? So, if you want to get those alerts, because I will watch these charts super, super, super on point, have my alerts going whenever we start to see some major price action. This is just a little blip in the road. But if you want to get those buy and sell alerts, join the Patreon. There's a few spots left. I believe there's 6 spots left. So, my beautiful friends, I will catch you guys in another video. It's Crypto Billionaire 69. And I am about to go and film for my other YouTube channels. Let's look at this overall move. We're just following Fibonacci's extremely nicely. I mean, we're seeing strong. Look at the volume coming in. All right, and it's just the start of the day. It's almost as much as this previous red candle. And if we keep seeing the buying pressure that we have been seeing this morning, it will be more than this previous red candle right about here. Now, will it overbear it? I don't know. What we want to see mostly is this green candle come up higher, close above the 1620 level. If we see that, that's very strong. It's a strong sign that the buyers are stepping in to play, creating this new floor around the bottom of this red wick, or the bottom of this red body. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful. When in doubt, zoom out. If you guys have never heard that, you heard it here. When in doubt, zoom out. These are the monthly candles, and look what we are looking at here. All right. We have been averaging it all along the bottom of these wicks, okay? You're welcome, my friends. You're welcome. And we will be moving higher. Look, we're making higher lows at this moment. We came all the way down, pushed all the way up, showing strong, strong, strong buying pressure. Around where? Around where? 0.618 level, okay? Twice. Not once, but twice, making a double bottom. That is very bullish, okay, on the monthly candles. What we want to watch is a move higher. About to show you guys some in-depth information. Want to watch a move higher? From here to there. All right, these 37s, exactly like I've been saying, that's how you get it. And that's our next level of resistance. To be even more specific, we want to put it down to the double bottom around this 33, is our next point of resistance, and 37 is the high. If we break the 37 with good news, that means we keep hodling, because it will start spiking and gaining more traction. However, if we reach 37, start seeing some selling pressure, no news coming out, Bitcoin's about to turn around in the markets, the technicals aren't looking good, that's what I'm here for. And that's when we're going to average out in the correct way to make the maximum amount of profits. It's going to be beautiful. If you want to learn this stuff on your own time, check out the course. I made a course on everything I know, and it will help you the rest of your life, kind of giving you a look behind the curtain at how to use technical analysis to make money in these markets. So go check it out. We're looking great. Weekly candles, creating a bowl formation here. I actually haven't looked at this candles yet in a long time. Wow, look at that. We're creating a 3-bar play here on these weekly charts. What we want to see, we have gone over this many times, what a 3-bar play is. Push down to this 50% or higher. Close as a red candle. Next green candle opens, pushes higher than these top wicks at the 1772 levels, closing around these 20s, which will most likely happen. And that is a very strong sign that we are loading the rocket to make exponential moves higher. We're going to make so much money, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm very, very excited. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Out.